First, from your operating guide or back of your battery, find out what is your battery's model number. Then come to this website called duracelldirect.com. Click in here and select your country. And then select camcorder, batteries, chargers, and adapters. Then select your camcorder's brand, and here you can choose either the camcorder's models from this list or battery's number from this list. You could also use the filter in here to type in the model, or you can type in the battery's number or code. Then select your battery and click on next. Based on your country, you will get different options in here. Here you can see the battery's model. Pay attention that this is 2 cells. That means it has a lower capacity. If you scroll down this page, you can see other options as well, such as 4 cells battery, which obviously would give you more capacity so that you could run your camcorder for a longer time. And then if you scroll further down, you can see it also gives you an option for the same battery's charger. And if you click on here, then you can read more information about the battery, and if you're happy with it, simply click here to add it to your basket. And now I press back and then I add the charger as well. Once you're happy to pay, simply click on View Basket. Make sure you have selected the correct battery and the charger and the quantities are correct. And as you can see, you can select free Super Saver delivery and then proceed to checkout. I think it's a very good value for money. A few days later, I received the battery and the charger. One thing I noticed was, even though I ordered NP-FV100A, which is a larger capacity battery, I received NP-FV70A, which is okay because NP-FV70A is also compatible with my Sony camera. So I charged the battery and it fitted my camcorder. As you can see, my camcorder shows 100% charge. To learn more about Duracell Universal Battery Charger and other related videos, please don't forget to watch my videos in the description and in the pinned comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.